would you characterize the changing expectations on media agencies and on media companies today?
Much bigger. I think we expect a lot, and we have folks from MediaVest here today, and it is very high expectations. I think media is surfacing to the top. From historically media, you get that 10 minutes to present the media plan, and the rest of the time you're presenting the television spots and you're rushing through your media plan. Now it's about the media. It's how are you going to approach the market? How are you going to connect with consumers? And I think we're shifting from, are we communicating to and just throwing messages, to connecting with? And I think media has a big role to play in that space and bring the insights and bring what's happening from a media consumption standpoint, much bigger role than it ever used to have.
So I started at, well, I didn't start, but it was one of the early jobs at Ogilvy and Mather, which was a very traditional agency at the time. And then I was there when Mindshare formed out of the media departments of Ogilvy and J. Walter Thompson. So what you just described was absolutely true in the Ogilvy era. And if you had that last 5 minutes and you could rush through the flow chart, you didn't really even get to present the objectives and strategies, right? But then when media agencies were formed, I think that started to change because advertisers started recognizing that there was a lot of dollars that were being played in that department, and there was a better way to do it. And so that was then the focus, right? I think in about 2000 or so, and there'll be debate as to who takes claim for creating communications planning, but when communications planning came about and media was recognized as playing a more strategic role in the overall marketing mix, I think that's when the game changed. I think and so now, and then catapult that to where we are now, where there's a blend between creative and media, and anybody can have a good idea and collaboration, everything we've just been talking about. It's even more important, and I think that the expectations are many for all of us. I would like to think that they're different. They're just not enormous. They're just different because the world's changing. But it's more exciting. I think it's more challenging. I think it's, and I don't mean to diminish anything that the agencies do, but I almost think it's more challenging for the media companies because their model is not to bring everything in from all of their different silos to create a big idea. Their model is to create revenue for each of those individual silos. And it's challenging, I think, more for the media companies than the media agencies who have been evolving with us since, I don't know, when was the media agencies formed? Mid-90s? In the UK earlier, right? Yes, they've been evolving since. Whereas I think the media companies have a little bit more work to do because they're not set up, that's not their revenue model.